In this video, I will teach you how to send USDT from Binance to your Revolut account. First of all, you need to open your Revolut and go to the crypto, then click receive. Then in the top in the search, you need to write USDT and find USDT. After that, you need to choose the network. In this case, let's choose Ethereum network. And then we need to copy the wallet address. Just copy the wallet address from Revolut and then you can close the app. After that, you need to go back to Binance, go to your spot account where you have available USDT balance. This is just an example for USDT, but in the same way you can send any other cryptocurrencies. So let's find USDT. Then we need to click this three dots in the right side and select withdraw. After that, we need to paste the wallet address we just copied from Revolut. We need to select the same network, guys. So in example, we have chosen Ethereum network on Revolut. So we need to choose the Ethereum network, ERC20 network right here. And you need to enter the amount of USDT you're going to send from Binance to your Revolut account. So enter the amount of USDT and finalize the transaction. In a few minutes, you can check your balance on Revolut. You will receive your USDT on your Revolut balance. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.